Hi, hello, how you doing? I know you're probably saying, oh wow, she's actually making another video. Oh wow, she's actually uploading a new video. Which is not every Friday, and not every Wednesday, and not every day, and not every week. So, I'm here today because I wanted, obviously I made some changes. Probably you cannot see it, but it's like, I'm a redhead now. I'm going to glam up and chit chat with you a little bit. If you like me, if you like any of my content, give this a video a like, subscribe, it's down below, it's the red button. Subscribe and let's jump to the video. I'm gonna use my Dior Forever Foundation 24 Hour as usual on a damp sponge. So, how you doing? How's everything has been? So I for a long time, like, I always loved the idea of being a redhead. Copycat. I'm not, but I actually I'm really attracted to redheads, like people. I find them very pretty, and not to say like if you weren't a redhead you're not pretty, but I always had this kind of, I don't know how to describe it. Let's just say I preferred redheads. Like I preferred if my hair was red rather than brown, I would love that. For a long time I wanted to dye my hair, but I chickened out almost every time. And let's say like 2 years ago I was roaming in like a shop centers, and I found like a dye, like a hair dye that was like lighter than this color, like copper red, copper orange, let's say. And so I had the idea that I wanted, like, I always had the idea, but I never really could do it because like it's a big change, and I have like this weird connection with my hair, like everything, like I really do be taking care of my hair so much more than my health. So I was thinking about it for like a year, almost a year. I am confident and I am brave, but sometimes when it comes to my hair, like I didn't dare to color my hair another color. And then one day I was like searching for a hair dye, and I stumbled upon this website, which is here based in Switzerland, and I didn't want to buy any box dye because box dye tend not to give you the results that you want. So I decided to buy like almost like the professional type of hair, like kind of coloring. Like I thought about it since my sister is going to color her hair. Even cutting my hair, I would ask my grandma, since I lived with my grandma. I would always ask my grandma to cut me like only the split ends away. So I'm just gonna blend that in. And then I thought, like, if it's bad, then I can always like change it. Like I can always dye it back like brown. It wouldn't be the same brown as it was before. Like it wouldn't be natural anymore. I will commit, and let's see if I'm gonna regret it or not. And boy, you should see my face when my sister washed my hair off. You should have seen my face. I was like so disappointed. Nothing has changed in my hair. And like, to be honest, I said to my sister, I don't have any expectation, but to be quite honest, I had a lot of expectation. Like I expected like copper, red, orange, sunset, fire kind of moment. Because we dyed it at night time, so you really couldn't tell like if it's like the end results, because like dye tends to fade away, and sometimes when it fades beautifully, and sometimes it fades, then you have no color at all in your hair. So anyways, I dyed my hair. I let my sister take control, and I said to my sister as well, I told her, like, do you know how much I trust you that I let you to touch my hair? I know it's not a big deal. It gives me more confidence. Dyed my hair like 2 different colors, like the front was a color and the back was another color. I expected like the front to be like golden, like red, but to my surprise it was just orange. Like you can see, but I don't know, I feel like it has faded a little bit. And then I didn't dye my eyebrows because I showed my hair to my cousin and she said, no, that's beautiful and everything. I know she was just trying to give me a little bit more of my confidence back, but to be honest, I didn't feel pretty. I didn't feel like this hair color suited me or anything. I thought like I made a big mistake. But look at me now. Look at me now. Hey. So I'm just gonna pause on my story and I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty powder to set my under eyes. I'm gonna use the Morphe R3 brush. And I set my face. Using a big fluffy brush, I'm gonna just buff it on my skin. So now I am going to contour my face using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. Using this shade. Just using the Fenty bronzer, dipping in and pew pew pew. And just bronze a little bit. And now I'm going to blush using this 3INA 212. So now I'm gonna move on to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do them off camera. I will do my eyebrows and then I'm gonna come back to you. Done! I know it looks scary, but that's how it's looking. Do you see this? I do already have this mole, but when I do the foundation, like, it covers it up, so I just re-added it here and here and here. So after that, I decided to be brave just for once, and I kept like convincing myself if it didn't look that good, that I can always like go back to brown. And so I convinced myself. Then I bought the product. My sister already bought like the developer. She bought a big bottle, so I didn't have to like buy another one. So I used 30 volume with my sister. I just had to buy the colors, the actual colors. We were looking for almost like 2 weeks at this point. And then I stumbled upon this one color that looked really pretty, but kind of too bright for my likings. I did buy that color. After I bought the cream color, I had the developer and everything. I had the ball, I had the whisker, I had the brushes, I had everything. At this point, the only last thing I had to do was just color the hair. Like literally, I had everything that I needed. I decided that I would do her hair and then I would do my hair. I had to clean up my room, so I was thinking. So I said to my sister I would clean my room. And I would think about it if I really want to do this. I already bought the cream color. I already have everything. The only thing needed is my hair and my courageousness to come forward. So I ended up coloring my hair at like 9 p.m. So I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I already did on this eye and it came out good, but I have to be silent for this part. So I'm probably gonna do it off camera. And then I'm gonna be back. Welcome back. So as you can see, I finished my eyelash and everything off camera. Now I'm going to take a brush, a fluffy brush, to do my highlight. So I wanted to do like the front a little bit lighter and the back a little bit darker, but like I didn't want to bleach my hair. I just colored it like with the cream color like directly. After that, my sister called my hair for me and I waited patiently. 45 minutes later, I was kind of disappointed. I had high expectations, even though I did not say that I had big expectations. I really did. I was like kind of sad when the color didn't like look good on me. I just tried to... I slept and then I woke up the next day. Obviously it's like a summer color, a spring color, so it wouldn't look as good in the wintertime because the weather would influence the color. Like if it's gloomy, then it wouldn't look as good. And so thank goodness the next day it was so sunny and I was so happy at the color. I was so excited, but at the same time I still like had this like kind of emotion that I was like kind of sad. I don't know why I was sad. Like days went by and I took my first shower, and boy, let me tell you, when I washed that off, in the sense that my hair color is gone. Like I don't have any more colors, and I thought maybe when the color comes off it's gonna look like just like yellow orange, but thank god it's not. Like you can see, I found like my hair looked a little bit more like more natural. I'm just gonna use a lip pencil and I'm gonna line my lips. Now I'm just gonna apply some Fenty gloss. And you probably are wondering, would you do it again? I would. You can see, she's been looking. I kind of want to do fake freckles. So I'm just taking a small, very small brush. If I would do it again, I would. I cannot do fake freckles. I have never done fake freckles, by the way. Just saying. Please do not judge me. I've never done fake freckles. Does it look like... Oh, I look like a fake freckles! From far away it does look like fake freckles. That's it? That's all. I'm not gonna do any more freckles because it's obviously, it doesn't look like freckles. Ooh. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't comment about the freckles. I know. I have never done them. I just felt I wasn't the moment of being a redhead, so I decided to do them. So please don't be nice. And thank you so much for watching. If you made it up this far, please subscribe, like this video, and you can watch any other of my other videos at the end. And you can follow me also on my socials, Instagram and Twitter. It's also linked in the end. I'll see you next time. Bye.